While creating your online store or while uploading your products, you may have come across a feature called tags. And I'm not sure if you are familiar with the use cases of tags and how powerful this feature is. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the various use cases of tags and how you can set it up and how you can utilize it. Hi, my name is Adnan. I'm Director SME E-commerce Growth at GlobalLinker, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the use cases and the setup process of tags. So, without taking any more of your valuable time, let's begin. Let's get started. Let's understand the first use case, and that is related to navigation setup. We'll take this product as an example. So we want to display this product in more than one navigation. It is already mapped to the men's shoes navigation. So it is already mapped here. But we want to create, let's say, unisex navigation, and we want to show this product there as well. So if someone is looking for unisex shoe, they can see this product. So one product available at multiple navigation elements. So that is something that can be very easily done using tags. So let's understand how it is done. So for that, I'm going to switch the screen, take you to the seller panel, and that's where we will understand the entire process. So we are on the seller panel, and firstly we have to create the tag and then we'll set up the navigation. To create the tag, you have two options. One is you can directly go to the tags and you can create the tag from there, and then you can assign it to the product, and or you can apply it in bulk. So first let's understand the manual process or one tag at a time. But I'll not recommend using this method because this is where you end up taking more time. There's a more efficient bulk method available, which I'll be showing to you shortly. So to add a tag, you have to obviously click on this button which says add tag, which will open this overlay. On this overlay, we have to type the tag name. So this is where we have to create a tag, and ideally because we are setting up the navigation, so it has to be in the name of the navigation. So I'm creating a tag called unisex. I'll turn it on and click on save. So this is where the tag is created. Now we have to apply this tag. So how are we going to apply the tag? So for that, we have to go to products. Now again, here there are multiple methods which are available. One is we can click on edit and we can go to the edit view, and that's where we can apply the tag. So this is where we are in the edit view, and here if you see, this is where we have the tag. So here we have to type the name. So this is where the moment I've started typing unisex, so it has started appearing, and now I can select it and then click on save, and the tag will get applied. So this is one way of doing it. The other way is, and for that we have to go back to the product management view. So here we can select multiple products. So for example, let's select this one, let's select this one, let's select this one. And then in the bulk action, click on this down pointing arrow, and here you have add tag, which will open this overlay, and here you have to just select the tags which are available. So this is where we only have one tag, so we can select that and click on save, and the tag is applied. So this is one method. The other method is bulk, which I mentioned to you is far more efficient or easier to do. So there you have to download this file. So this is where you can see download products. You have to download this Excel file and then add tags into it. So let me switch the screen and take you to the Excel file. So this is the Excel file which we have downloaded, and here you can see, and let me just zoom in a little bit so that it is slightly bigger and you can see it in a better way. So here we have tags. This is the column I'm referring to. Now to add any tag, you have to just type it here and it will get automatically added. So you don't have to firstly go to the tag section and add the tag there. You don't have to do anything of that. Just type in whatever tag you want, and you can add as many comma separated tags. So tag 1, comma tag 2, comma tag 3. So any number of tags can be added to a product. We were looking for adding tag to a particular product. So for example, this one. So let's firstly look for this product in the Excel file. So here we have this product. So we have to add the tag here. No. our tag is column L. So we have to add the tag here like this. And once we are done, we have to save the file. And we can apply it to multiple products. So because it is an Excel file, so we can apply it very easily like this to multiple products as well. So once we are done, again, we have to save, and then we have to go to the seller panel and we have to upload the file. So this is where is the file. Let's upload it, and it will take a minute or two to get uploaded. So you'll have to wait till the file gets uploaded, and then the tags will get applied. So on this tab, let the file get uploaded. Okay, so this time it got uploaded quite quickly. Let's see if that tag has been applied. So we'll search for that product. So let's look for this product. This is a product. We'll go in the edit view just to check if the tag is applied. And here you can see the unisex tag is applied. So this is how you can easily apply tags. You can apply it in bulk using the file, or you can create the tag, and then whether using the bulk option or in the edit view, you can easily go and apply them. Now this is about creating and applying the tags. Now let's understand how we are going to actually use it for the navigation setup. So for that, we will go to the navigation, and here we'll create one more navigation element, and this is where we have to click on add menu item. And all right, so we have created the unisex as the new navigation, and here you have multiple options. And this is something which has been explained several times, that you have to use one of the options, but many times we see that users use all these options, so only one of them. And this is where we are going to use tags. So you can either type and it will start appearing in case you have multiple tags, because we have only one tag. So it is appearing here in the drop down. So you have to select that and click on save, and the navigation element is created. So now we have to click on update navigation, and the navigation gets updated. It will take some time for the navigation element to appear on the front end. So in the meantime, while this happens, let's understand the other use cases which are there. So for that, let's go to the front end for a moment, and let's see. So we are on a category page, and here you can see we have a bunch of products which are loafers. So we want to have this experience on the website. If someone comes and searches for loafers, these products should appear, because you can see loafer as a term is not here, not here, and I think we also have few more here also. This is where you can see the loafer as a term is not there. So firstly, we will just open these products. We have few more. So we have these products, I think 5 of them, where we want to add this tag, and when customer searches for the term loafer, these products should appear. All right, so let's do that. So for that, again, we have to go back to the seller panel, and again, we have both the options. We can like create the tag and then apply it manually, or we can do that in Excel file. As I mentioned, Excel file is slightly more easier. So we will go to the Excel file, and here we will search for those products. So we'll keep toggling between the windows. So here we have this product. In fact, we can search by the SQ code, but SQ code is not there in the product update file. So we have to use the product title. So this is the first product where we have to add. So we have added that. Let's look for the other product. Let's look for the Next one is here. Now you can see here we already have the unisex tag. So all we have to do is add a comma and just type in the next tag. So you don't have to delete it and one product can only have one tag, nothing of that sort. You can have multiple tags. So here you can see we already had unisex. We have added one more tag. You have to just add comma in between. So that is the fourth one. This is the fifth one, I believe. This is where we have the product. Right. Let's check if there is any more. Yes, there is one more product. And here we have that. All right, so we have added the loafer tag and we have to save the file. The file is saved. We'll go back again to the seller panel and in the catalog management section, and we will update the file. So again, it will take a minute or two to get updated, and please don't close the browser until you see the success notification. So this is where it is updated. So now again, we have to quickly go and check if the loafer tag has been applied or not. So let's use the last product that we updated. We'll click on the edit view. We'll scroll down and here you have the loafer tag is applied. So this is something which has also happened. And this is also something that we will test when we'll look into the navigation. So we'll test all the three use cases together. So this is the second use case. So we want someone to type loafer and we want to show these 5-6 product where we have added the tag. So this is the second use case of tag, and this is very powerful use case because using this you will be able to manipulate or you will be able to show the right product, because there can be a scenario that the customer may be searching by a particular term and because of that the right product is not getting displayed. Now, related to that, you may have a question that, okay, this is where we can add the tags, but how will we know what are the customers searching when they are on our website? So for that, we have a separate capability. So this is where if you go to My Store and if you scroll down, that's where you'll see search history. So all the searches which are happening on the website, this is not the Google search. This is the search which is happening on your website. So when customer come and they start searching for something, it all gets logged here. So periodically your team or you can download this file and see what all customers are searching and then see whether the right products are getting displayed on the front end or not. In case the right products are not getting displayed, then you'll have to use the tag magic to ensure that the right products are getting displayed. Right? So that is the second use case. The third use case is related to the discount coupon. So, for example, you want to create a discount coupon, and those should be only for the products which are carrying a specific tag. So, for example, September sale, right? So we can create another tag and we can apply it to the products, and then while we are setting up the discount coupon, we can apply it, right? So again, we'll use the Excel file method and let's randomly apply it to few products. Let's apply to these products. So right, so we have applied that, and let's apply to these products as well. So we will just use a formula to combine these. So I applied it to a number of products, and the tag is SEPT 25. Let's also select the product name of one of the products so that we can check on the front end whether it is applied properly or not. Let's save this file, and we will go back to the seller panel, and once again we'll upload the file, and this time we have added the tag for creating a discount coupon. All right, so let the file get uploaded, and once it gets uploaded and gets updated successfully, then we will go and we'll start setting up the discount coupon. So the file is updated. Let's quickly check whether the tag which we had added has started appearing or not. So let's search for the product. So let's see, we have added a tag of September 25 and it has started appearing. So this tag is also applied now to the use case, and that is setting up the discount coupon. So for that we have to go to the promotions tab. My panel is still loading, so that's why it was the navigation was not opening up. So we are in the discount coupons navigation, and we have to click on new coupon. We are creating a new coupon, and this is where we are creating a discount coupon of let's say September sale. All right, and the start date and the end date is here. It is a percentage discount, and we are giving 25% discount. Minimum order value is, let's say, 1000, and available on all payment method. We are displaying on the checkout screen, and here number of users, we want 100 people to use it, and everyone should be able to use it one time. And for applicable on, so applicable on is basically we are setting up the rule that the customer will get the discount, but if they are if they are buying the selected product, and only on the value of the selected product. So this is where we are using tag, and we are using this tag, which is September 25. Lastly, we have to add a description for the display on the front end. So I will 25% discount on select products, and we have to click on save, and the discount coupon is created. All right. So we have three use cases. One is navigation, which I've explained. Then second is for enhancing or ensuring that the right products are getting displayed in the search results. And third is setting up the discount coupon. So now let's go and test them on the front end. So for that, we have to go to the other browser tab. And here, the first one was the navigation. So let's see if we have the unisex navigation, and let's see what products are getting displayed. So this is where, and this is the product we specifically wanted to display here, and it is getting displayed. So this is one. The second use case was for search. So let's see, we are searching for loafer, and all the products that we had tagged, all the 6 products that we had tagged as loafer, they are appearing here. So this is where you can see how easily you are able to control the outcome of the search by adding the tag. So that was the second use case. For the third use case, we have to go to the shopping cart page, and there we have to see the discount coupon. So this is where we have the September sale, and let's click on apply, and the discount coupon is applied. Now it is going to apply only on the tag product, not on the entire product. So if this product is not the tag product, it is not a tag product, so it will not get applied. So these are the 3 use cases of tags. I hope you found the video informative. Still, if you have any confusion or if you need any assistance, please do feel free to reach out to our help desk. The contact details of our help desk are mentioned in the description of this video for your reference. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Bye.